Hey yo guys, what's up? This is Christian and welcome to my other vlog. Okay, so today is October 10 and today is a very special day kay karon balik na ta sa tuhang dating racket no ang pagdi-DJ. And it's been a while na wala ta naka-program tungod sa kabisi sa atong schedule as a student. And now kay sem break man, so balik na ta sa tuhang regular na program. So, ayun na. So ayan guys, mali siya ang view during Dapita. Actually, hindi siya hangak sa pagsaka no, medyo okay. Yeah, and to makita na nimo ang dagat. Zoom na to ang dagat, yan. And ang playground sa Central, ayan. And there's mga silingan na dayon. Kataas. And there is sa other side ng karsada. Ayan siya.
Airing time in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, there you have it, a song by Jess Line. Song entitled Hold My Hand, and that brings the clock at 16 minutes after 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And you're still tuning in to Nasipit's #1 choice for best music and entertainment. It's 94.3 Service Radio FM, Way Balina. And ang maghapon ay mga kauban mga kaibigan, ang pinaka-cute na DJ sa Balatang Radio. Sabi mo gamit yung mga na pinaka-cute na DJ sa Balatang Radio. Ako gihapon si DJ John and medyo ako pa nakabalik din sa station no, due to some hectic schedule. But tungkol kay Love Manta mo, nibalik yun ko. Di ba ko kaya sa uban niya mubiya, niya di ka mabalik. But also, once again, this is DJ John and medyo as I've said, no, akong balik din sa station and medyo lang mga nabag ko. Grabe, susala na ang earphones, naka-bluetooth na, susala. And, ano siya? So, once again, our time is 18 minutes after 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you have some feelings and requests, you may text sa our okay, if you have some feelings and requests, no, you may text at our text line, that's 0947-623-1429. Once again, 0947-623-1429. Ayan. And moving on to our first piece of this afternoon. Ay, by the way, magsama-sama po tayo mga kaibigan until 6 p.m. Only here sa 94.3 Service Radio. Ayan. And moving on to our first piece of this afternoon. A song by Shepherd, a song entitled Geronimo, only here on 94.3 Service Radio FM. Way Balhinay, akong hapon, ang inyong kalban, ang pinaka-cute DJ sa Balatang Radio. This is DJ John. So, mato siya guys, no? Thank you so much for watching and nakakaroon ibalik ko diri sa rooftop kay as I've said, mingaw ko sa view diri so ibalik ko diri nagpaabot ko nga ang sunset patuloy na nga kaunon sa kagabion, charot. Bitaw, so once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Once again, this is Christian. And don't forget to comment down below about sa inyong mga suggestion sa itong mga upcoming mga vlogs. And if you like this video, please click down the thumbs up and please click down the subscribe button and share na rin sa inyong mga fans to spread the good vibes. Once again, this is Christian saying life is too short, so smile while you still have your teeth. Have a good day, everyone. Bye!